So trying the Swedish meatballs from Ikea.
This is what it looks like. I've got some fries on the side and some juice.
So these are the meatballs and they are with the green peas. So tasting it for the first time in my life, to be honest. So this is somewhat like ice cream. I hope it's not ice cream. Oh, it's potato. This is good, yeah. And even the French fries are tasting quite well. Tasting very nice. This you must give it a try, I would say. There's some jam. It's looking like jam. No. I think with all this combination, it's much better. So I would rate it around 8 out of 10 at least.